The value of the determinant 1 cos alpha minus beta cos alpha minus beta 1 cos alpha cos beta 1 is first option is alpha square plus beta square, second option alpha square minus beta square, third option is 1 and fourth option is 0. Okay, now we expand that determinant here. Take your solution. So delta is equal to, so 1 into, okay, this 1 into 1 becomes 1, cos beta into cos beta is cos square beta. So in bracket you can write here 1 minus of cos square beta. Then the minus cos alpha minus beta, minus of cos of alpha minus beta. Then cos alpha minus beta into 1 becomes cos alpha minus beta, cos of alpha minus beta minus here. Then cos beta into cos alpha cos beta, cos alpha into cos of beta, right in the bracket here. Okay. Then plus cos alpha here, plus cos of alpha. Then this into this here, cos beta into cos alpha minus beta. So therefore in bracket here cos beta into cos alpha minus beta, cos of alpha minus beta minus of 1 into cos alpha becomes cos of alpha here, bracket complete here. Expand the determinant here. Then this equal to 1 into 1 minus cos square beta is 1 minus cos square beta. Right as it is here. 1 minus cos square here. Take this term inside the bracket here. This into this becomes minus here. Minus this into this cos square alpha minus beta. Minus into this minus becomes a plus here. So plus this into this here, cos alpha cos beta into cos alpha minus beta, cos of alpha minus beta. This into this becomes this here, this into this becomes this term. Take the cos alpha inside the bracket here. So therefore plus this into this here, cos of alpha cos beta cos of alpha minus beta. Then cos alpha minus cos alpha becomes minus of cos square alpha here, minus cos square alpha. Therefore this equal to 1 minus of cos square beta and last term minus cos square alpha, right here, minus of cos square alpha. Then sum of these two terms, they are both are same here. Let us observe here, cos alpha cos beta cos alpha minus beta, cos alpha cos beta cos alpha minus beta. Sum of 2 gives 2 into cos of alpha cos of beta cos of alpha minus beta, and minus of this here, minus of cos square alpha minus beta, cos square alpha minus beta. Therefore this equal to 1 minus of cos square beta minus of cos square alpha. Here cos alpha minus beta, here also cos alpha minus beta. You can take a common factor here. So plus, so 2 cos alpha cos beta, 2 into cos alpha cos beta minus cos alpha minus beta, cos of alpha minus beta, right in a bracket here, and outside here right here cos of alpha minus beta. This is a common factor. It is a common here. Cos alpha minus beta is a common. Yes, 2 cos alpha cos beta right in a bracket minus of cos alpha minus beta. Therefore, this is equal to 1 minus of cos square beta minus cos square alpha plus. In the trigonometry, there is one formula here. So cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 into cos a into cos b. This is the formula. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b. Yes, sir. Here 2 cos alpha into cos beta can be written as cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of alpha minus beta. And write this one as it is. Minus of cos alpha minus beta, keep as it is here. Okay. Here 2 cos alpha cos beta is this here. Using this formula. And cos of alpha minus beta, keep as it is, into cos alpha minus beta. Cos of alpha minus beta, write as it is here. This one keep as it is. Then this term and this term get cancels here. Both the term get cancels. Therefore, this equal to 1 minus of cos square beta minus of cos square alpha plus a. Cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta is cos of alpha plus beta into cos of alpha minus beta. This term into this term here. Again, there is a formula in the trigonometry here. So cos a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square a minus of sin square b. This is a one more formula. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b is a cos square a minus sin square b. This is again trigonometry formula. Use that formula here. Okay. So therefore, this is equal to 1 minus of cos square beta minus cos square alpha, then plus cos square alpha minus of sin square beta. Then minus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha cancels here. Okay, here is sin square here. Here minus, here also minus. Minus is the common factor. 1 minus of cos square beta plus sin square beta. Therefore, 1 minus of sin square plus cos is 1 here. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. So 0 is the answer here. So D is the correct option. D answer. If 1 plus sin square theta cos square theta 4 sin 2 theta sin square theta 1 plus cos square theta 4 sin 2 theta sin square theta cos square theta 4 sin 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0 and 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. Then cos 4 theta is equal to, first option is minus 1 by 2, second option 1 upon 2, third option is root 3 by 2 and fourth option is 0. Okay. Here in this example they given this determinant is 0. Adding these two columns here. Okay. So C1 gives here C1 plus C2 here. So determinant of sum of the here sin square plus sin square is 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. Is a 2. And again this plus this here. Sin square plus cos square 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. Then this plus this sin square plus cos square is 1 here. Okay. So C1 gives C1 plus C2. Second and third column write as it is. So cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta and cos square theta here. Then 4 sin of 2 theta. Then 4 sine of 2 theta, then 4 sine 2 theta minus of 1. Okay, 4 sine 2 theta minus 1. Okay. Next, R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1 here. So R2 gives here R2 minus R1 and R3 gives here R3 minus R1 here. So therefore only second and third row changes here. Second and third row changes. For two element keep as it is. So therefore 2 cos square theta. Then 4 sin 2 theta. 2 minus 2 becomes a 0. It is a 0. This minus this cos square cancels. Remaining is 1 here. This minus this becomes a 0. It is a 0. Then R3 minus R1 here. 1 minus 2 gives a minus of 1 here. Cos square minus cos square becomes a 0. And this minus of this here. 4 sin 2 theta cancels. Remaining is minus of 1 here. So right here minus of 1. They already given this determinant is 0. Okay. Now you expand this determinant here. So 2 into 1 into minus 1 is a minus of 1 minus 0 into 0 becomes a 0. Minus of cos square theta here. Minus cos square theta. 0 into minus 1 is a 0 minus of 1 into 0 becomes a 0. Then 4 sin 2 theta here. 4 sin of 2 theta. 0 into 1 becomes 0 into 0 is a 0. Minus 1 into 1 is a minus 1. Minus minus plus here. Plus 1. That is equal to 0. Here 2 into minus 1 is a minus 2. It is a minus 2 here. This is 0 here. 0 into cos square theta becomes a 0. Minus of 0. 4 sin 2 theta into 1 becomes a 4 sin 2 theta. 4 sin of 2 theta is equal to 0. Take a minus 2 right hand side here. As a 4 sin 2 theta is equal to 2 here. Take a 4 right hand side here. 2 ones are 2 2s are cancels here. So sin 2 theta is equal to 1 divided by 2. Sin 2 theta is a 1 upon 2. Here we want a cos of 4 theta. Okay. If a sin 2 theta is 1 upon 2, then cos 2 theta is cos 2 theta is the root of 1 minus sin square 2 theta. Then sin 2 theta is 1 by 2. So sin square becomes 1 by 4. Root of 1 minus of 1 by 4 here. Because sin 2 theta is 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 4 here. Therefore this equal to root of 4 ones of 4 here. 4 minus 1 becomes a 3. This is a 3 divided by 4. Okay. Therefore this equal to root of 3 divided by 2. So square root of 3 divided by 2. This is a cos of 2 theta. Hence cos 4 theta. Cos 4 theta is equal to cos square 2 theta minus of sin square 2 theta. It is a trigonometric formula. Cos of 4 theta is cos square 2 theta minus sin square 2 theta. Here cos of 2 theta value is root 3 by 10. So therefore root 3 divided by 2 it's a square minus sin 2 theta is 1 upon 2. So 1 by 2 it's a square here. Hence 3 by 4 minus of 1 upon 4 here. 4 is a LCM here. 3 minus 1 becomes a 2 here. 2 ones are 2 2s are cancels here. So 1 upon 2 cos 4 theta value is 1 upon 2 here. So therefore B is a cutoff here. B answer. If A, B, C be the angles of a triangle, then determinant minus 1 cos C cos B, cos C minus 1 cos A, cos B cos A minus 1 is equal to First option is 1, second is 0, third option cos A, cos B, cos C, and the third option, fourth option cos A plus cos B plus cos C. So here ABC are the angles of a triangle here. Therefore here let us consider A is equal to 30 degree here, B is equal to 60 degree, and C is equal to 90 degree here. And sum of these three angles always 180 degree here. Therefore ABC are the angles of a triangle here. Then use here cos of A, you know cos A here. Cos of 30 degree value is root 3 by 2 here. Then cos of B, cos 60 degree value is 1 upon 2 here. And cos C here, cos of C is 0, cos 90 degree is 0, use here. Yes, so delta is equal to, means determinant delta is equal to minus 1 is there, cos C value is 0, so right here 0, cos B value is 1 upon 2, it is 1 upon 2 here, cos C is 0, it is 0, and minus of 1 here, and cos A is the root 3 by 2, root 3 divided by 2 here, cos of B 1 upon 2 here, then cos of A is root 3 by 2, root 3 divided by 2, and it is a minus of 1 here, so right here minus 1. Okay, then expand the determinant here, so this equal to minus of 1 here, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, minus this into this here, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square, means 3 divided by 4 here, 0 into any term is 0, leave it here, plus 1 upon 2 here, 1 upon 2, 0 into this is 0, minus of 1 by 2 into minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, minus minus plus here, plus 1 divided by 2. Therefore this equal to minus 1 into 1 is a minus of 1 here, minus into minus plus 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 gives plus 1 divided by 4 here. Then 4 is the LCM, so 4 LCM here, 4 ones are 4, minus 4, then 3 plus 1 here, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 minus 4 becomes 0, divided by 4, hence it is 0. Therefore value of this determinant is 0, so second option is correct, 0 is the answer. Okay, here find the value of this determinant here. Here use a compound angle formula. Okay, therefore determinant of sin alpha, sin beta, and sin of gamma, then cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma here, and expand it here, sin alpha plus delta here, it gives sin alpha cos delta plus cos alpha into sin delta, sin beta plus delta, so sin of beta cos delta plus then cos of beta into sin of delta, so sin gamma plus delta, sin gamma cos of delta plus cos delta gamma here, then sin of delta. So there is one property in the determinant here. If any row or any column sum of two terms here, then you can express it as a sum of two determinants here. You just observe the last column here, sum of two terms are there. So you can express it as a sum of two determinants. Hence this equal to determinant of first two columns write as it is. Sin alpha, sin beta, and sin gamma, and cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma. Sin alpha, cos delta, sin alpha into cos of delta, sin beta into cos delta, sin beta into cos of delta, sin gamma into cos delta, sin of gamma into cos of delta. This is one determinant here. Then again determinant of again first two columns write as this: sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Then cos of alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, and these terms are write as it is: cos of alpha, sin delta, then cos beta, sin delta, then cos of gamma into sin of delta. Okay. From this column cos delta common, from this column sin delta common here. Therefore, this is equal to cos delta is a common factor here. So right outside determinant of sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma है, cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma, sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, sin alpha, sin beta, and sin of gamma. Then plus here sin delta is a common factor. So right outside here, sin of delta keep outside here. So sin alpha, then sin beta, sin of gamma, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma है. Here's a cos of alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma. Just observe here, first and the third columns are identical here. So value of this determinant is 0. Here the second and the third columns are identical. So value of this determinant is also 0. 0 into cos delta is a 0. Then plus 0 into sin delta is a 0. Hence 0 is the answer here. First option is correct. 0.